Hi, welcome everyone once again to the friendly voice of the ecosystem. Hi, Evelia, how are you?
Hi, Anna. How are you?
Very well,
Good to
thank you.
see you.
Absolutely. Welcome back from your trip.
Yes, it was
I heard you have
fantastic.
a great time over there, wherever you were.
Yes, yes. Learning a lot,
Okay,
enjoying a lot. So,
connecting with the ecosystem.
exactly. That's the
Okay,
purpose.
all right, so let's translate for another friend of the ecosystem today. So
Okay,
get ready, get comfortable, and get on board.
we're ready.
Okay,
Thank you.
take a nice deep breath and relax as we embark in this new adventure and translate for someone that really wants to communicate with the world. Amplify all your senses, Evelia, as we connect with the etheric world, the unseen world. And when you're ready, amplify all your senses and connect with the fox species. Connect with any fox in the ecosystem that is willing to be interviewed today.
Wow, Anna. When you said any fox uh, is like feeling some kind of emotion,
Mhm.
the emotion like sassy, like walking through uh different steps,
Mhm.
and I see like three, four foxes around me like that,
Mhm.
moving her tail
Mhm.
and looking through your eyes and said, welcome, welcome to us, welcome to our space, and welcome to have this conversation that is very important for us, so you understand whatever you asking me for.
Okay, so from the group, who is willing to step forward and speak?
Anna is that's a female.
Okay.
He said my age. Who care about my age?
Mhm.
Right now, the time no exist, so the age no exist. But I can tell you, my heart is very, very old.
Mm.
But he said, can show you anything you want. And my name in this time,
Mhm.
knowing the earth in the time that we're talking, you can name me Maury.
So tell us about you and your species.
Well, I'm gonna exactly talk to my species,
Mhm.
not a specific me.
Mhm.
My species is very old species. We came, we can say we are part either of the world um, as genetic have aligned to be connect con the fox, sorrel, and the wolf.
And the wolf. Okay.
We are three species,
Mhm.
but either the dog.
And the dog.
Yes.
Mhm.
We all have only one species together.
Mm-hmm.
But when the human decide to separate the genetic for each species, that's how we became a fox. We are very old species. We are made in the laboratory
Mm-hmm.
when they do the separations to to make different species
Mm-hmm.
for the earth and for the humanity. So that's why you see us, we have kind of similar at all these animals that I already told you.
Okay.
The skin,
Mm-hmm.
the way we are living, we are the same. The only thing changing between each one is the size, the color, either the way we living. When I say that is because our species, the fox species, is very family exactly how the wolf they are. We have a leader. We are responsible for what happened in us group.
Mm-hmm.
We never lonely. You probably see one wolf far away, but you never see that we are behind watching
Okay.
all the time. And either we are smart, very smart species,
Mm-hmm.
and like I said, is as skin is very good. Either the human kill us for use as skin,
Mm-hmm.
for clothes, for anything. So exactly what do you want to know?
So if your species was made in a lab along with other species and animals, how have you managed to survive all these years?
Uh, we survival because, like I said, we had the generic for these different animals.
Mm-hmm.
We are the only ones, like I said, we have multiples genetic,
Mm-hmm.
but we only one genetic, the wolf. We came from the wolf genetic.
The wolf. Mm-hmm. And with um, that mutation or change or genetically engineer in a lab, what kind of contracts do you guys come with regarding illnesses, regarding the way of life?
We have a lot, but let me explain a very good point for you to understand how come we survive and how we made it in the laboratory. It's because when they start working con the genetic at the world,
Mm-hmm.
they work either con to transform to do the transformation
Mm-hmm.
at different species. And this take many years and time, earth time.
Mm-hmm.
But in this time, it was not so many years. It was short time, like doing experiments, like they're doing right now. They're doing so many experiments con different species into finally to have completely one, like how we are right now, the fox. And we have a different contracts. Yes, we do. We have short time alive,
Mm-hmm.
very short. Uh, sometimes we live between 8 to 10 or 12 years.
Mm-hmm.
And as contract always is like survive anything disease, like we have some kind of like fever intern,
Internal
like
fever.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes we having as organs like as liver collapse,
Okay.
as system nervous,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes either collapse. And as skin
Mm-hmm.
is very delicate skin, the depends on the weather and depends where are we are moving in that
Mm-hmm.
moment, we can suffer for some different rashes.
Okay.
And either as heart, we are a
Mm-hmm.
little bit cardiac
Okay.
and very emotional.
Oh,
That's
okay.
why we have that problem, because we are very, very emotional, and as heart can stop right away.
It can't stop working.
Yes.
Mm.
And another contract that we have,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes we die,
Mm-hmm.
and either you guys go and check what's wrong, we ask why we dying,
Mm-hmm.
you're not gonna find that.
Mm.
You're
Why is
not
that?
gonna find the disease, the why we dying. It's because, like I said, we suffer con a heart disease. As heart stop slowly, slowly, and you never gonna know it was the heart.
Okay.
Now humans suffering that. You know that when you have a baby and the baby die when it's a baby, they call sleepy death.
Okay.
It's the same disease that we have.
Oh, wow. So they have modified the humans to acquire that as well.
Yes.
I see. Mhm. Let me tell you or remind you that today you can use your power, your essence, to eliminate or remove any of these contracts that doesn't serve you anymore.
That's very important to let you know
Hmm.
that these decisions is very good to anyone who wants to be, uh, we can say, out of contract or free
Hmm.
or be more less contract. That's gonna be something very good. But let me tell you too,
Hmm.
this is a decision between each fox that wants to do it.
Absolutely. Free will.
And this is something that making sure that you're not forcing me to do something. I'm making clear this
Hmm.
because a lot of people or a lot of, we can say, brains or
Hmm.
no brains, they all get the wrong information. And right now we are talking
Hmm.
to be more light reading
Hmm.
for some contracts that I don't need to be carrying in this type of form of animal I am. So let's do it.
Okay. The power is within you.
Yes, my power always is in my heart.
Hmm.
My power, I also have it in my sense. and my feelings and my skin.
Evelia, describe to me what Maury is doing.
Maury, Anna is standing in the two lakes like
Mm-hmm.
this, and you can see her standing, and you can see her heart was open,
Mm.
and
Oh,
it's a good energy, like we like brown and yellow colors together start working in her body, and you can see how going up and down
mm,
and changing. And not only the change, it's like removing skin and her bones. You can see the skin, bones, and you can see either a part of her organs
mm,
is like moving, changing, and now everything is calm and going down, and it's a new different type of fox, more renew, like when you born, you can see her skin is more bright, more tense.
mm-hmm.
She said it's more strong,
Mm-hmm.
and now it's back normal and 4 feet, and now she's laid down in these grass. She's laid down, and you can see how the energy is very, very different, and the energy is moving all the way, and it's like a lot of foxes, um, not too close to her, but it's getting the information
Mm-hmm.
that what she's doing and what she did,
Mm-hmm.
and you can see that's going all the way like that.
So the information is expanding.
It's standing all the way to the earth.
Wow, that's magnificent.
Yeah, so she still laid down doing that.
Mm-hmm.
And she said, remember that I told you, everybody is free
Mm-hmm.
to do what her sense or her brain thinking.
Mm-hmm.
So the information is already there. So she's finished.
Mm-hmm. Ask her how she feels.
Anna, she said, I feel so grateful and I feel in peace because I did something that I always wanted to do it,
Mm-hmm.
but this is a different way to do it things. So the
Mm-hmm.
information is already in the earth, and everybody can get what he need to get.
Very well. Is there anything that she would like to share with the human species before we close the session?
Yes, Anna. She said I wanted to tell whatever person or whatever human is gonna see or hear my voice to let them know that they not need to kill us to wear as a skin,
Mm.
because that's not a trophy.
A trophy?
And yes,
Mm-hmm.
and then I need to uh kill all my species to be rich.
Mm.
You already rich because you living in this earth. You already rich because you breathe every day. So you not need to kill no species at all to be somebody in this earth. Every time you kill any species,
Mhm.
you kill yourself.
Mm.
You dying. Every time you wearing a coat that have us to do con any species,
Mhm.
you already dead. A person, you already dead because you wearing somebody or her body that you kill to be in some level, some status. You don't need to do that. You
Mm.
already have your own status. Stop doing that. Please respect any species that we still living in this earth. We really working on us system to have a balance, and you killing the balance of the earth. I
Thank you
know
so
it's
much.
I know it's hard to listen this, but somebody need to tell you, stop killing us.
Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge, your understanding with us today.
Thank you to you guys. It was a pleasure to meet you and to know you guys more.
Thank you once again. Evelia, disconnect from Maury, disconnect from everything and everything. As we returned to the present moment, breathe in and out. Synchronize your breath with your heartbeat as we return to our own space, feeling good, feeling great, feeling wonderful. Breathe in and out, removing and leaving any energy that does not belong to us. And when you're ready, you may open your eyes, Evelia. Session. Thank you so
Okay.
much for your cooperation today. And we
Well,
wish everyone to please share this video and many others that we have already within the channel. Leave your comments, give us a like, a thumbs up, and let us know if there's any species that you're interested in hearing from.
yes. So thank you very much, and we see you again soon in the friendly voice at the ecosystem.
Thank you so much. See you
Thank
next
you.
time.
Bye.
Bye bye.